No one reads food labels. They're confusing and boring. Wrong. Food labels are actually one of the best tools we have to make smart choices. Here's what to look for. Serving size. How much food is in one serving? Calories. This describes how much energy the food item gives you. Sugar in large amounts can hurt your health. Fiber helps smooth digestion and keeps you full. Protein helps build muscle and rebuild tissues in your body. Okay, but does a nutrition label really make that big of a difference?
Let's test it.
Which one has more sugar? Chips, 2 grams of sugar. Donut, 14 grams of sugar.
Donut.
Exactly. That's why reading labels matters. You might be surprised by what you find. Now try this one. Which one of these has more fiber?
Shout it out. Oatmeal.
That's right. Good job. Now
Okay, so how do I fix my breakfast?
easy. Let's build a balanced one. Start with whole grain toast for energy. Add eggs for protein. Throw in strawberries for vitamins and fiber. And don't forget milk for calcium.
That actually looks really good.
That's the goal. Balanced meals help you feel better, think better, and stay energized all day. And for meals other than breakfast, here are some other great options. Start with whole grains, like whole wheat bread, oats, or brown rice, for lasting energy. Protein, like eggs, yogurt, chicken, or beans, to help your body grow strong and stay full. Don't forget fiber from fruits, veggies, and whole grains to keep your digestion healthy. Don't forget can be complicated, but hopefully now you feel confident in conquering each meal.